like a Hellcat.
Hi, it's your telepathic boy again, Christian Jetro Flores, back at it again with another hairstyle. For today's video, we will be talking about welding. Welding is a fabrication process that joins materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. Welding is distinct from lower temperature metal joining techniques such as brazing and soldering, which do not melt the base material. Welding can trace its historic development back at ancient times. The earliest examples of welding come from the Bronze Age, just like blacksmithing. That's it! Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more information about welding. Goodbye!
Resistance welding is the joining of metals by applying pressure and passing current for a length of time. Kung pressure, i-apply na siya sa part sa metal or area sa metal nga mo'y atong i-join. Resistance welding is designed for a wide range of automotive, aerospace, and industrial applications. The key advantage of resistance welding is that there is no other metals needed to create the bond, which makes the resistance welding extremely cost effective. There are some types of resistance welding, mainly spot and seam welding, projection welding, flash welding, and offset welding. So basically that is the overview for resistance welding.
Hi guys, this is Greg Anthony Piñez, third year electrical engineering student of Negros Oriental State University. So today I'm going to discuss GMAW. What is GMAW, or gas metal arc welding? Sometimes referred to by its subtypes, which are metal inert gas welding and metal active gas welding. So GMAW is a welding process in which electric arc forms between a consumable wire electrode and a workpiece metals, which heats up the workpiece metals in order for them to melt and join. So next, joint design for GMAW. All of the basic joint type vis like butt, fillet, corner, lap, and edges types and their variants can be made in all positions by GMAW. Since the wire diameter in GMAW is very small, that it is often recommended to use for smaller grooves angles. Advantages of GMAW: all welding position capability, semi-automatic mode, absence of flux, suitability for ferrous and non-ferrous welding, cleanliness and case of mechanization are the attractive features of GMAW. Application: all metals for which electrode wire are available can be welded. However, it finds extensive use mainly for welding aluminum alloys, carbon and low alloy steels, and stainless steels. That's all. Thank you.
Hey guys, Jeremy is here. So now, let's discuss about gas tungsten arc welding, or GTAW. Gas tungsten arc welding is also known as tungsten insert gas. Is an arc welding process that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. So, muna siya ang GTAW. GTAW is commonly used to weld thin sections of stainless steel and light metals such as aluminum, magnesium, and copper alloys. Like other welding processes, GTAW can be dangerous if proper precautions are not taken. Welders wear protective clothing, including heavy leather gloves and protective long-sleeve jackets, just to avoid exposure to to extreme heat and flames. So guys, more na about sa GTAW or the gas tungsten arc welding. So, see you next video. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, it's this Bert again. So today we're gonna talk about shielded metal arc welding. So what is shielded metal arc welding? So its definition says it's a fusion welding process that uses a consumable flux coated electrode to create an arc between the electrode and the workplace. And it is one of the oldest, simplest and affordable welding process that is used to make quality weldments. And the process requires a constant current power source, an electrode holder, a ground clamp, and a workplace. So that's it guys.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today,
Anong magagawa? Laging napitulala. Kung lumalapit ka, kung lumalapit ka, ako ay natutuwa. Kahit di sinasadya, loko mo ng saya, tuwing kasama ka. Kilig-kilig-kilig, kilig-kilig-kilig, kilig-kilig-kilig. Ooh, kilig-kilig-kilig, kilig-kilig-kilig, kilig-kilig-kilig.
we talk about other welding system, which is the flux core arc welding or FCAW, the electron beam welding or EBW, the automatic hydrogen welding or EHW, the gas tungsten arc welding, and the plasma arc welding. What is flux core arc welding? This type of welding is rather similar to the MIG welding method. It also requires uninterruptedly fed electrodes, but instead of solid wires, it is used tube-shaped wire with flux. The flux core arc welding is very easy to learn, and there are many professionals prefer it because it is extremely inexpensive. Electron beam welding or EBW. This type of welding involves firing array of high velocity electrons at the material that requires welding. This technique transforms energy from the electrons into sheets in order to melt the welding material, which can then merge and fuse together. The electron beam welding used in multiple industries with application ranging from fully automatic in-line part production to high-cost aircraft engine industry. Automatic hydrogen welding or EHW. This type of welding has been largely replaced by the gas metal arc welding methods, but it is still in use for specific purposes such as welding tungsten. This material is highly resistant to heat, and by using these techniques, you can weld it in a way that does not damage the metal while still creating cohesive strong weld. Gas tungsten arc welding. This type of welding is one of the most difficult type of welding and also the time consuming than the others because it requires lot of focus and skill, mostly because of the small area between the arc of the plane in the material you intended to weld. Plasma arc welding, a process that is similar to that of the gas tungsten arc welding. This method is a suitable one of the use when it comes to heating metal very extremely temperature, which results in deeper and stronger weld. That's all guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more updates.
Like a Hellcat.